In today's video, I'll show you how to reschedule meetings in Calendly step by step. Rescheduling helps you move appointments to a new time without canceling the booking or losing the client. First, sign into your account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, open the Scheduled Events or Calendar section where all your upcoming meetings are listed. Now find the meeting you want to reschedule. Click on the specific event to open its details page. Inside the event details, look for the Reschedule option. Click Reschedule. Calendly will then show available time slots based on your current availability settings. Select a new date and time that works for you and your client. Once selected, confirm the change. Calendly will automatically update the meeting time and notify the invitee via email with the new schedule details. If needed, you can also add a short message explaining why the meeting was rescheduled or providing additional instructions. After confirming, the old time slot will be freed up and added back to your availability automatically. Before finishing, check your calendar view to make sure the updated meeting appears at the new time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reschedule meetings in Calendly without confusion or manual updates. And that's how you reschedule meetings in Calendly.